Class 8, we have started chapter The Boy Who Broke the Bank, and in this we have seen how Nathu, a sweeper boy, is cleaning Seth Govind Ram bank floor, and he is not feeling good. He is annoyed, and Sita Ram, the washerman's son, asked him that he is going to help him because he is not getting salary in the bank, and he said that I will try to get a job for you to some other place. And for that, when he reaches the fourth home to deliver the clothes, there he talks to Mrs. Prakash, and he tells him that there is a sweeper boy who can help her. Till here we have studied. Now let us see what happens further. Sitaram, glad that he had been of help to both a customer and his friend, hoisted his bag on the shoulder and went on his way. After talking to Mrs. Prakash about Nathu, Sitaram was feeling very nice because he was successful in helping his friend. Soon after, Mrs. Prakash set out for the bazaar to make her usual afternoon tour of the cloth shop. And then when Sitaram went away from Mrs. Prakash's house, Mrs. Prakash, as her routine, she went out to the bazaar to the cloth shop. A large shady tamarind tree grew near the clock tower, and on his way to the clock tower there was a tamarind, imli ka पेड़ था. It was here that she found her friend Mrs. Bhushan sheltering from the heat, and under the shadow of the tree, her friend Mrs. Bhushan was standing. "Do you know, my dear," Mrs. Prakash said. Then she started the conversation, and she told to Mrs. Bhushan, "Do you know that Seth Govind Ram Bank can't even pay its employees?" He said, now Govind Ram Bank is not able to pay his employees. Only this morning I heard a complaint from their sweeper boy who hasn't received his pay for 2 months. And then she said कि हमको आज ही सुबह पता चला है कि वहाँ का जो स्वीपर बॉय है उसको 2 महीने से तनख्वाह नहीं मिली. "It's disgraceful," exclaimed Mrs. Bhushan. मिसेस भूषण ने कहा तो ये तो बहुत ही डिसग्रेसफुल बात है, बहुत ही बुरी बात है, बहुत ही अनएक्सेप्टेबल बात है. इफ़ दे कांट पे द स्वीपर दे मस्ट बी इन अ बैड वे. कहने अगर वो अपने स्वीपर को भी नहीं पे कर पा रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब उनकी कंडीशन बहुत ख़राब है. नन ऑफ द अदर कैन बी गेटिंग पेड आइदर. इसका मतलब वहाँ किसी को भी सैलरी नहीं मिल रही होगी.